Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a pull ring smoke flare. For this project you're going to need incense sticks, cartridges, string, matches, fuse, and a key ring. The first step of this project, we're going to take our empty cartridge and remove the primer using a nail and a nut. We'll place the nail directly in the middle where the primer is, and then place the nut on top and give it a tap with the hammer. This removes the primer. Next, we're going to take some matches and make the pull ring igniter using the striker on the side of the box. Next, we're going to take two matches and glue them together. Now we're going to put a dab of hot glue in the middle for our fuse. Make sure the fuse is touching the match head. Now let's take our striker, place it in the middle, along with two more matches. Now we'll use some string to hold it all together. Now we'll use a dab of hot glue to keep the string in place. And just like that, you got yourself a simple pull ring igniter. I'm going to use some super glue to hold this together. Now take your incense sticks and matches. The ratio I like to use is 1 box of small matches to 1 incense stick. The next step will be removing the heads of the matches. First we'll line out all the matchsticks. Next thing, take a piece of wood and roll it back and forth. This will remove the heads of the matches easily. Now let's separate the sticks from the powder. Next, get your incense sticks. I'm going to be using 3 of them, and I'm going to remove the material using the pliers. So the next step will be turning this into a fine powder. I'm using an empty CO2 cartridge here to grind it down, just by rolling it back and forth a couple of times. We're almost finished. The last step to do is to crimp the end of the cartridge. I'm using a pliers here to go along the original seam lines. Now I'm just using my fingers just to kind of close it in on itself. Now we're just going to seal it off with some hot glue. I like to place it down on something cold like a piece of metal. This will make it cool quicker and makes a nice smooth finish. So like I mentioned earlier on in the video, make sure the fuse is touching the matches. Now it's time to take this outside and test it out.